Candlesticks do not reflect the sequence of events between the open and close, only the relationship between the open and the close. The high and the low are obvious and indisputable. But candlesticks and bar charts cannot tell us which came first. With a long white candlestick, the assumption is that prices advanced most of the session. However, based on the high-low sequence, the session could have been more volatile. The example on the screen depicts two possible high-low sequences that would form the same candlestick. The first sequence shows two small moves and one large move, a small decline off the open to form the low, a sharp advance to form the high, and a small decline to form the close. The second sequence shows three rather sharp moves: a sharp advance off the open to form the high, a sharp decline to form the low, and a sharp advance to form the close. The first sequence portrays strong, sustained buying pressure, and would be considered more bullish. The second sequence reflects more volatility and some selling pressure. These are just two examples. There are hundreds of potential combinations that could result in the same candlestick. Candlesticks still offer valuable information on the relative positions of the open, high, low and close. However, the trading activity that forms a particular candlestick can vary.